Alright, y'all, this is it. The DX is going out today. Sad day. I'm about to go meet up a buyer halfway. He's coming from another city. But this is it as far as this one's gonna go. And it's my dream bike. This is pretty much this is it. So it's kind of sad, but I got so many other bikes and so many other projects to do, and so many other uses for the money. So I'm gonna have to let it go for now, and maybe I'll get another one later. Would be sick to get a Softail Lowrider ST or road glide at some point, but I gotta keep it moving, get some money out of it, and keep moving. Man, this bike is sick. Got the Crater front fairing on quick release. Right there and right there. Got a video on doing the relocation for that. T-bars, everything, Lucky Days, San Diego 10-inchers. Got this little piece on the bezel on Amazon. Makes it look a whole lot more like the OG T Sport Fairing. Just pop it on with some 3M. Of course, the DX dual disc front brakes. Adjustable rebound and compression. Different settings, you know, stock from the factory. It's what made the DX so desirable. Thunderheader exhaust with the carbon, titanium wrap. Lucky Dave's Saddleman step-up seat. It's got the Screamin Eagle high flow intake. Leather Pros V3 saddlebags. And made it to where you can put a sissy bar in there. Custom made these, not custom, just basically drilled them out. Made these mounts so where you can put a sissy bar on there. It's real sweet. But man, she's gonna be missed, but like I said, got a bunch of other bikes, not riding enough, and can use money for other things right now. So there's definitely gonna be some more bikes coming through. Got a couple Sportsters right now, FXR. So if you guys haven't already, subscribe to the channel and keep watching, y'all. There's gonna be a lot more content to come. Hopefully, I mean, shoot, if I could buy another one of these again, build it up, not build it, but just buy it, ride it for a while, do some things to it. I'll be on the lookout for one. You might see another Dyna on the channel soon. But for now, it's time to close the chapter on this 2004 FXDXI. Let's load it up and get it sold.
Alrighty guys, I told him I had to go to work in a few hours and I couldn't come on this deal, and he's like, alright, I'll be there in a few. So we got this hunk of junk of a truck. Man, come on, dude. Oh, you gotta like hold it and do the little. I told you this is a hunk of junk of a truck.
I taught you how to open it last time, bud. Hey, the AC just went out before you got here, bro.
Anything about the seat I should know?
We're gonna eject those seats if you start getting too annoying, dude.
Alright, on our way. Alrighty folks, we just pulled up. The AC's really loud, barely blows cold. The guy's got a U-Haul trailer.
Let's go see what's up with Tony.
Bike made it in one piece. I'm not sure how we're gonna unload it, but figure that out.
What's up, man?
Alrighty. So we're looking for a spot to unload it because he's got this hillbilly lifted up truck, and it's kind of hard to get the bike off. So we're looking for a hill. Might be that one over there. But yeah, I mean, we can do it here. It's sometimes they bottom out and it's a little sketch, but we'll see. I think here's probably fine, dude. The hill, I don't feel comfortable putting on grass and all that stuff, dude.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
I got the pin for it. I got in the truck. I'll give you that.
Cool.
I got keys for the saddlebags.
That'd be the worst motorcycle deal ever. This guy does not have a pin, does not have a bill of sale. Guys, I had to pull up to Heb, looking for some Gatorade. It's like 100 degrees. We don't have a pin. The guy went in to go buy a pin. So now, trying to get some refreshments, see what's going on.
Okay.
What's your Gatorade, dude?
Appreciate it. That's the key for the
Last ride or what? Proud new owner over there. You need help or what? There you go.
If I knew how to work on it, then yeah, maybe.
I might want to turn this one here. How long have you had that sports for? Not very long.
Not very long.
If y'all don't know, the Fuel Star out, he hit me up. He was like, "Do you want to trade, or are you down to trade?" I was like, "I'm not against it." Posted up with a nice Sportster. So we're talking about it, and then he came back with a cash offer. So we ended up doing cash. He sold the Sportster in like a day, no problem. That's nuts. The Sportster had like, I'll put a picture of it right now. It had a flueless front brakes. I think a lot of roadster parts. Somebody had some pins on it. Blacked out motor with the highlighted fins. It was pretty sick, but hey, all that in the day, we ended up being a cash deal for the Dyna. So. All right, yeah, I'll probably go a little more on this one.
That's really tight, dude.
Take?
Yeah. Grab that and then. If you don't go super tight, about right there, it'll use some suspension too when it's just, bottom it out.
To the back?
I mean, you could, but I usually don't.
Alright.
You got some really good track. Off to his new home. All right, y'all, so we're back. The DX is sold, and these are the parts I walked away with. So again, we're talking about trading it for a Sportster plus cash, but ended up doing just straight cash deal. And he threw in the tank, and then actually the other parts, fenders and stuff like that. I didn't know he was coming with all this stuff. I knew he was coming with the fenders, but he kind of surprised me. I got these lower legs with the deal, which they need to be cleaned up for sure, but as y'all would say, good candidates for powder. And these are dual disc, so you guys know the deal on those. Those are highly desirable. Clutch lever, brake lever, no big deal. black cover. Somebody had changed them for chrome, so I got the black controls right there. And these, somebody had taken them off. Not super cool or anything like that, but if you think about it, I mean, it's obviously rigged, but somebody's got left the wiring and everything, so I basically plug and play. So if I got a bike I need to put turn signals on, that's killer. This right here, I was like, why did he give me a water bottle for? But then I realized that, you know, it's fuel bottle, so this is sick. I can use that on the flame bike that I just picked up this morning. Definitely gonna need that. It's like a 2-gallon gas tank, so this would definitely get me out of trouble. I got the front end over there, front wheel, forks and everything, to put this beast back together, or just together, period. I was gonna run those tins up top, but not anymore. I've got the full fender. I've got a full fender over there now. If I need it, it would need paint, but if y'all know, you know, what this is off of, if anybody needs it, let me know. Mike could possibly get rid of that, but kind of want to keep it just because it's a full fender for one. It's got the strip right there. Not sure if the wires are in it, but it's got that, and mainly it's got that cutout. I believe this is 07 to 09, at least 8 and 9. I think this is 2008, 2009 Sportsters have that ECM cutout. Y'all see my other videos, you saw me cutting one, and then the other Sportster I had, same cutout right there. So that fender would fit on this bike. It just depends on what I'm gonna do with this bike, but let me show y'all what it looks like on this one real quick. All right, it's just mocked up for down, not all the way down, but just slap the seat on there. It looks like crap, but yeah, it'll come in handy. It can be used for that. It's a fuel injected bike. It's got the cutout for the fuel injection, or the fuel pump and everything on that tank. So I'll find a use for it. It would look pretty cool on something like that too. Some long forks, big tank lift. Anyways, guys, that's what I got. The DX is gone, but rest assured there will be more dynos on the channel. So stay tuned, fellas. Subscribe, like the video. Thanks for watching.